We, in partnership with NABH, and we in fact just signed up the extension of that contract with Dr. Kalra at NABH the other day. We are trying to help sustain, bring in and maintain the quality standards of each hospital and taking care of the infection control protocol piece. This initiative of ours is called SafeEye. So we've done a tie-up with the Jamia Hamdard University, wherein we've placed, which is actually called the BD Jamia Hamdard FACS Academy, which is the Flow Cytometry Academy. Now these are expensive machines, and therefore not everybody can have access to them easily. And our endeavor was to be able to help people learn the use of these machines and then contribute to the society through development of various drugs and molecules and so on and so forth. Through this unique tie-up, we have a state-of-art facility that we established at the Jamia Hamdard University in Delhi, and we invite a lot of people to come participate with us and learn the use of cell sorters and high-end cell analyzers in this through this arrangement. If I was to kind of define innovation around patient safety, I actually break it up into three. One is adoption. Adoption is a very simple one. Copy what the others do better than you. And it's something that's always worked right. You don't have to invent the wheel each time. The second is development, very important. Everybody wants to touch and feel a new product that is coming in, a new development that's happening in terms of innovation. And the third piece is, which again, if we embark on that journey, we'd probably change the practice piece in India. And that's called the operational innovation. You know, practices in one hospital being better than the other. Now, how is it that you can go and replicate those practices? One is talent moving from one place to the other. The other is institutions like ours. Now, we work with all of them. We have access to what they do. We work on the infection control side with many hospitals. And that's where we gather a lot of information around them. And we are a repository of sorts, which can actually go back to another hospital and deliver what a best practice is. We've developed something which we call the Signature Solutions, Signature Solutions is all about learning from one hospital and delivering to another hospital. We've always promoted the concept with our consumers, with our customers, which is essentially the leading hospitals and the laboratories, wherein we say, if you have a problem around anything, consult us, we'll be able to provide you a solution because we know what the others do and how is it that they're dealing with this problem. Because problems in every setting are the same. The third piece that, in fact, a little more to this one. So what we really say, we seek, we solve, we sustain, and we share. And this is the entire motto around Signature Solutions. Soon you will see BD coming out in India with something called a product that we call the Facile. It will be the BD Facile. It will help actually. It's a drug transfer device which will help and ensure that there is no contamination of the external environment and vice versa. And Joe, the Odon perfectly blends and aligns with what INAP, which is the India Newborn Action Plan, released by the Government of India, the Ministry of Health, Government of India last week. I think we will be able to partner with the government when we come out of the Odon. The two things that probably I can share with you here is, one is I've always believed that in our country where 70% of delivery happens in the private sector, and needless to say, when you and I actually move out to kind of get our relatives seen in a hospital, we always prefer the private setting. I won't say that we don't go to some of these institutions which are government institutions, but they're not as many as you would desire them to be. I think India is a perfect case where we should look at a tri-party kind of arrangement. Historically, that's been called the public-private partnership, and I'd say there is a huge case, a huge need in India to walk that path. When I say a tri-party kind of an arrangement, for instance, you could look at a device manufacturer, you could look at a healthcare service or a delivery platform, could be a laboratory, could be a hospital, depending on what the need of the hour is, and the government partnering together. So.